Hi y'all. Hi y'all. We are headed out. Girls, where are we going?
To Jellystone!
We're gonna hit up Jellystone in Wichita Falls, Texas. We haven't been to this location yet.
Not yet, first time.
So this is our third location in Texas, so we're excited to see it. We're headed out, so it should take us about 4 hours to arrive, and we'll see what they got. We did luck out though. We got a nice covered pull-through site, and it was actually the last one they had available, and it looks like it used to be a camp host site. So it's just this random covered spot in the back of the property. So we were lucky to get that and get our RV covered with the boys with us, so keep it a little cooler.
West Texas, July heat. Or I guess Wichita Falls, everybody wants to call North Texas.
Yes. But it's still Texas and it's still hot. It's July and it's hot. So it's July. Yeah, it's July.
Yes,
Okay, it's July. I don't know. It all runs together these days. So we're on our way and we'll take you around when we get there. Hey y'all.
Well, so yesterday, actually no, Thursday, we came to Jellystone here in Wichita Falls. And as soon as we got here, we had to come check in and everything. The check-in was great. You roll up to the front office, walk in, they have everything ready for you. Some of the Jellystones, they escort you to your site and stuff. They didn't here, which is fine. It's a pretty good sized place and pretty easy to find our spot. We're in spot 118, which actually has a covering over it. I don't know if you can see, but you also see that half of it, of our Keystone Fuzion, is hanging out the back of it. So while we were pulling into our spot, we got it all the way in, but we realized you had to finagle it between some poles. And there's more on the other side. I'll give a whole tour around the site and show you, but we had to make enough room to get the slides out on that side, to be able to get the slides out on this side, doors open. Well, in that process, we pulled it under, and with the truck, the camper is down in the nose just a little bit, 2 or 3 inches maybe. And so we pull in, the first air conditioner clears it perfectly. As we come into the second one goes underneath it, but just barely. Well, we had to back up to reposition, and it ended up damaging the outer cover of the middle AC unit. And with that little bit of damage, the AC is fine, it still runs fine, everything was good there, just a little cover damage, which I temporarily fixed that with a little white Gorilla tape. But anyway, so we got it all situated, got it positioned, everything's been great.
Well, when you pulled in, I thought you hit something coming in, but you weren't panicking, so I didn't want to bring it up. But I think what happened, I think it rubbed when you were coming in, and that's what I heard because I was outside. But then when you backed up, I knew he hit something. It turned out to be the AC.
We all heard that one. So just FYI, if you get spot 118 that is covered, unless your camper is lowered, then 13.6 will not fit under this awning.
But what we do have covered has helped with the heat. I mean, we've got a good portion of
the
RV is covered. And what's nice too is the way we're positioned. We're positioned east to west. So the sun's hitting at the cap and at the back. So it's not blasting inside the side windows on each side of the camper. So that helps too. But having this middle part covered has helped a great deal with the heat.
Yeah, the AC's been running good. They're actually cools down, keeping the camper around 70 to 72, no problem.
You notice I knew my directions?
I am proud of you.
I didn't say...
She didn't say right and left.
The caps by Chick-fil-A, and I'm a little impressed. So we spent time at the water park. The girls, that's all they want to do, really, is be at the water park. And I mean, it's triple digits, so...
Yeah.
I mean, that's fine with us. We're about to head up there. I made us a snackle box.
Yep.
For today, since we're getting to the pool a little late. Let me just show you what's in here. Isn't it beautiful?
It smells good.
Salami, pepperoni. Hey!
Lemon cookies?
Lemon cookies, cheeses, strawberries, broccoli, pickles. Airplane cookies, the girls call them. These are those Biscoff cookies that they give you as snacks on the airplane sometimes. Jalapeno stuffed olives. At least I know that I will get these and these to myself. It's my two sections that nobody will want to share with me, so I had to throw something in there.
Whew, I can smell them jalapenos.
Good jalapeno stuffed olives is the best.
But today we're pretty much this whole trip we're just gonna hang out here and then hang out at the pool and
no schedule. It's been weird because the other night we didn't have dinner until 8 o'clock, which is really odd for us. We've been getting up. Lila didn't get up till 8:30 this morning, but it's been nice not to have a schedule and we can just come and go as we please. And it's been nice.
I'll do a little video tour, just kind of give you a quick tour of the sites and everything. I did end up having to go to Walmart because Nicole forgot the pancake mix.
And the hot dogs.
And the hot dogs. So I ran to Walmart, picked up pancake mix, some hot dogs, some hot dog buns.
And two bicycles.
2 bicycles. So now Mom and Dad can ride our bicycles with the girls who we had taken off the training wheels last week. Lila's doing great. Everly, she's doing great. She kind of struggled a little bit at first, but
she couldn't get going by herself. But she was determined because sister did it, and now she's a pro, so they just want to ride their bikes all the time.
Yeah, she tried and tried to get so mad and frustrated, but she wouldn't give up.
She didn't quit.
Nope.
And she did it, and so now we're riding our bikes everywhere.
Yep. So we ride our bikes, so we are the furthest spot away from the water park that you can get, except for that one. So, but they do offer golf carts. What were they, 75 a day?
It kind of depended on the day of the week. They vary from, I think, $50 to $75 a day, something like that.
I think they have the pedal carts.
The pedal cars,
They have pedal cars you can rent too. But bicycle is the best way to do it. They do not allow personal electric scooters.
Personal golf carts.
Personal golf carts.
E-bikes is what they said. I can't remember. I have to look, but
yeah.
Those aren't allowed. But regular bikes, of course, are. They have some bike racks up by the pools. Yep. They have a little parking lot up there too. A couple parking lots up there too. If you just wanted to drive, it's very hot.
Yes.
So walking up there, it's not terribly far, but it's very, very hot. So.
Yeah, that's probably maybe a little half-mile trek. Quarter mile, maybe?
Probably quarter mile. It's not far. It's not far, but when it's 100 and something degrees outside, it feels far.
Yep. The girls did some tie-dye shirts earlier. I think I said that. It's $20 a shirt to do the tie-dye, but that includes an actual Jellystone t-shirt. So if you're going to
a plain white shirt.
Yeah. So if you're going to go into the little general store that they've got in there and buy souvenirs and stuff, you don't have to buy a t-shirt. Now you've got a tie-dye custom shirt, so those are cute.
Yeah.
So I guess we're gonna head to the pool and cool off.
Yep.
Okay, I'm gonna go down a big blue water slide. I have to get up there. Then I have to go somewhere. Okay? Then I'll go down the blue slide. They're gonna be whoop, whoop. Okay?
Have y'all had a good time at Jellystone?
Yeah.
Wichita Falls?
Yeah.
What was your favorite part?
Slides. Slides.
The slides, your favorite part?
Yeah.
Mom, what's your favorite part?
The water. Just relaxing in the water. It's nice.
Yeah. Here it comes. Oh, that's the... Hang on. There we go. Let's go, Everly.
Scary.
You like that?
Yeah.
Okay.
See you later.
We had a great time here. It wasn't super crowded, even though it's summertime. We got to hang out at the pool and just, there's a great shallow area here for the parents just to kind of sit in the water and be cool and watch the kids. It's been great. It's been great. The staff has been great. We've just had a really good time.
Yeah, it's been a lot of fun. The whole park has been awesome. Everything about it, the staff, like Nicole said, has been amazing. The water park is fairly new and it's really good. It's a lot of fun.
And they have 3 other pools.
Yes,
On top of the water park.
there are 3 other pools. So, Everly, there you go. Now say hi. Hope everybody else has enjoyed. I know we sure have. So we can't wait to come back. We'll probably come back to this Jellystone because it's close to home. So
Yeah, it's an easy 4-hour pool and we're good.
yeah, be sure smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and everybody stay safe. And we'll see y'all out there.
Bye.
Say bye.